Man, I gotta cut this thing. Ryan, plug this in for me, dog. Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do you think you're doing?
Kind of cool.
Bad. Look, there's not even a blade in this. Not even holding it right. Where's your goggle? Where's it? Alright. First off, put these on. You can't cut anything without using gloves. Next. There you go. We'll use the blade for this.
If you followed all the safety procedures,
Yes, ma'am. I believe we had fifth period.
would you point them out to me, please?
Well, first, we clamp the object down over and cut. Then he has gloves on. And he also has goggles on.
Very nice. Is the saw unplugged?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That would probably require the fine tooth blade.
Now I put this blade in, you always have to have gloves on. Take up the saw, get the blade, pull a little black lever back, just push it in, like that. There you go.
Okay. Make sure and test that it's secure.
It is
Okay.
secure.
Now you may plug it in.
Man, working this jigsaw is a real puzzle.
Oh, that was great!